Wanda, let's start with you. A lot of activity going on over there at the Air Force, and I just can't imagine trying to secure satellites and aircraft and bases and deal with the defense industrial base. A lot on your plate. Why don't you give us a state of the state as to what's happening over there these days?
Oh, good afternoon, Luke and team. Thank you from Team Air Force. As you mentioned, we have a lot of great activity underway in the Air Force. We've made progress, and we do understand that we do have more things to accomplish. I'll start out by saying that I've drafted a cybersecurity strategic plan, and this is going to be our roadmap for the entire department to enable us to properly identify and secure all of our assets. We're continuing to leverage pen testing, bug bounties. We just commissioned the start of Hack the Air Force 5.0. We're continuing to find and fix those critical vulnerabilities and gaps. We have reformed our risk management process. I've talked about it before. Fast Track ATO is continuing to be a great way for us to secure and address risk at every level. We've also provided a guide on our organization risk tolerance baseline. That allows us to give our folks the left and right bounds to ensure that we are doing the right things. The initial phases are underway and we're seeing progress. And then lastly, we're continuing to focus on DevSecOps. And what I want to do is operationalize that now and continuous ATO. So that's just a snippet of just some of the things that have been going on with the department. And like I mentioned before, we have a lot of different initiatives underway.